Good day, Madam and Sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Janet C. Nero from Magallanes, Luna, La Union. I consider myself as a very hardworking and motivated person with a passion for continuous growth and learning. With my experience, I gained my previous job in Hong Kong on March 30, 2026. I believe that I have this skills quality match this job description. I work as a maid to perform highly, but then I learned basic Cantonese language and I am good cooking and cleaning, marketing, and I take care of children aged 6 and 7. I easily adjust for environment. I'm looking forward to regret you to work that I can contribute to your family. Thank you and God bless.